So I'm Johanna Huitzak, my military nickname is JJ, and I work for Milton Keynes University Hospital NHS Foundation Trust as the Armed Forces Covenant Support Officer. So the Trust have supported me in having my military career in a number of ways. I think most importantly is the gold standard leave policy that we have. I think what's really nice is the genuine interest that my colleagues have in what I do on weekends and evenings, and I find that the Trust has been really helpful in understanding and allowing me to be very flexible in when I take my 2 weeks leave. I have regular one-to-ones with my manager. Some of that time is dedicated to asking me how I'm getting on and how I'm managing my work-life balance. So Armed Forces Week, we have reservists in uniform coming into the Trust, invite the Armed Forces Staff Network to come and join us as well as patients. Having that uniform presence of other reservists in the Trust is really good for raising awareness of what we do. I think the values and standards that we as serving personnel have are really aligned to those within the NHS. The Armed Forces Staff Network is a really good place for people with an Armed Forces background to come together. The comms team have been great. They did some really good publicity around the Silver Award, which we received last year, and the Veterans Aware Accreditation, which we received earlier this year. So I was Royal Army Medical Corps for 25 years. I very recently transferred to a different cap badge. That experience really helped in terms of my knowledge of service-related injuries, the process, the admin and the paperwork around those, which has been really useful with some of our veteran patients who might have a complex backstory to translate their medical care from the military environment into the civilian environment. So in summary, I'd like to thank my employer for enabling me to have a military career as well as a full-time job.